Here it is. Upper strut bar. It comes with these really cool machined parts. They're not the same, so I believe this goes on the driver's side and this is on the passenger side, but they look really well made. And then there's this other part. I think it goes with this, and then you get supplied with these bolts, and they provide you with a bunch of instructions, very detailed. So I always enjoy their instructions. So first, remove the cover and reveal inside, and you're gonna remove this bolt, which is a 17 millimeter. So there's a bolt and a washer, and then just kind of clean inside. Next, you're gonna take this threaded rod, put it into the hole, and you're gonna thread it inside. You can do a little wiggling to get it in. And then if it starts to get stuck, they supply you with these nuts so that you can use to thread it on, and then use the other nut to lock it in. Oh, it's actually easier to spin. So you're gonna keep on doing this until it bottoms out. There, it's at the bottom. Don't over tighten it. Then you're gonna remove these nuts. Next, you're gonna take the machined fitting, the one with the slot, and you're gonna put it on the driver's side. You want it to be perpendicular to the car. Then this fitting goes on the passenger side. Apply anti-seize to the top of the thread. This is to prevent galling of the threads with the self-locking nuts. Next, you want to drop a washer inside, and then you want to take the self-locking nut and screw it down. Then you want to tie it down with a 17 millimeter deep socket. You want to tighten down those nuts to 23 foot-pounds. You're going to install the brace. You're going to put this into this part. So on the driver's side, you're going to take the adjuster assembly and you're going to slide it over this. And then you're gonna slide it in until you can get it in the hole. There you go. I'm gonna add a washer and then an acorn nut. Tighten this in, but do not torque it down yet. And then you're gonna take this screw, screw it down until it hits the side, and then you're gonna turn this one full turn. So I'm just gonna do a little mark here. So you're gonna do one full turn. There you go. So on the right hand side, you want to torque it down to 23 foot-pounds. And then you can torque this down to 23. And as a little bonus, this doesn't come with the kit, but I'm just gonna add a little protective cap. You can get this on Amazon. Cool. So we'll put the carpet back on and see how it fits. Yeah, there's a little bit of lift, but it's not too bad. So I modified my mat so that it sits flatter. And so what I did was I cut a little notch and it just kind of sits right there, and then you just fold over the carpet. So now it sits even more flush. And then on this side, the edge just hit. You could cut another notch if you wanted to, but I didn't want to cut too much stuff, so I just cut on one side. But I mean, the carpet covers everything, so it's fine. Well, there you go. DeLorean Parts Northwest low profile front shock tower brace. Nicely installed. Looks great. Can't wait to go for a drive. Well, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the future.